a system of vessels in the brain that is responsible for washing out metabolic byproducts and cellular waste. Outside of the nervous system, the body relies on the lymphatic system to pull waste material away for degradation. The brain uses a similar system that depends on glia, hence glymphatic. First characterized in 2012, the glymphatic system is highly active when a person is sleeping. It uses the cerebrospinal fluid found in the nervous system to wash away waste products. It is believed that metabolic waste, such as the amyloid beta proteins found in patients with Alzheimer's disease, is carried away and degraded by the glymphatic system.